There are 7 ways we can control the wall pattern colors, wall solid colors. This is the continuation of the yesterday's video, the applying of patterns or colors on the wall cut. So this is applied only on the coarse option. What happens if it is fine? That's what we're going to see. What are the options? 7 options available. So this is Raj from BIM Modeler. Do follow for more videos on BIM Modeler. Do share it with your learning friends as well. Thank you. So what are the ways? Object style is the first way, where you'll have all the project settings available here. Whatever the element that you wanted to control will be there in the object style. For example, in my case, wall, what color needs to be there, line color, and the pattern will be controlled here, and the patterns of filling will be controlled by the material. The material also one of the option in the second, which represents by default, it is in default wall material. You can see them, and the patterns are controlled under the graphics, and graphics you will be able to see that surface pattern or cut pattern. We are discussing about the cut patterns. So you can assign the pattern that you wanted to apply, and you will be able to control their color, in this case black, and you can select OK. So this is one of the way that we will be able to control the wall colors. You can see them, some of the colors are changed here, some of them not, because they are overridden by coarse color as pink only on the wall type. Now if you change that into fine, you'll have a dark black colors. And this is one of the places that we discussed. That's first, and the second will be controlled by material. The same material can be applied for each layer. You know that wall have a different layer. Structural inside we have a core, and the finish on each side it could be a mortar. So we have a wall types, and the wall types based on that as well we can control. As you have seen the previous time, so you can select the wall type and you can go ahead inside. You can apply the material here, graphics, course view, what color needs to be shown. For the other wall, we applied a pink color. This one remains as a black. That's the reason. So coming back to the wall type, you can go to the wall type. You assign a material. Based on the material, the wall layer color will change. It could be any color or any patterns that you wanted to assign. It could be a hatch pattern as well. So as I said, this is another third type. So we are seeing it. So as I said, we're going to see only options. What are the 7 methods available? If you want to have each one as a separate tutorial, we can make it. Or some of the videos are already existing. So the next one is this visibility graphics. So we discussed about this. If you do the object style, if you're not assigning any wall type or patterns, automatically the object style will remain the same. What happens if a view, particular view, wanted to have all the walls or some walls needs to have some control in this view only. So based on the view setting, which is visibility graphics, we can go ahead wall. We will be able to change the color only on this view. It will not affect the other views, duplicated views or 3D view. It won't be affecting. So in this case, projection surface, you can see that projection and the surface means which is on the left side or right side, the color, what colors that you want to assign. And the second category is that cut. If it is cut, what colors and patterns need to be applied. If you're not making any override, by default, material color or object style color will apply automatically. So I'm just saying you, this is the place you will be able to change if you need to change only on the view. As I said, the next option will be override element or category. This is also one of the option where you can select the element, right click, override by element or by category. So these 2 ways we will be able to control only this element or entire wall category. We will be able to change the color in this view, not particularly on different views. It only applies to this view. So once you do that, automatically we will have a control options for the material like these. Surface pattern, cut pattern is what we are discussing about. We can assign the color and pattern as well in this place. Do let me know if you have any questions related to foreground and background. We will be able to do it as a separate video. The next thing is that filter. The filter is the most important thing that we have in our Revit. Also, the Revit, the same exercise we did it for a firewall, fire rated wall. We can do that based on visibility graphics here, filter, or we can create our filter under the manage tab and under the view tab, filter. We'll be able to create the wall properties and able to control. Once the filter is created, we can assign that to the view under filter here. So automatically it will be applied to the particular view, and we can assign our patterns here. For example, this one, and we can change the pattern as like in the model category as well. So in this place also we will be able to control, and the video I will link it upside. The filter control we applied for the fire rated walls. The next thing is that we discussed in the previous tutorial. Also, I will link I will link that video, which is how to control the wall pattern color in a coarse view, also in 3D view. So the 3D view have a different property in their edit type, where you will be able to assign a material so that the wall control pattern color will be controlled in this place. So these are the 7 ways that you will be able to control the wall colors or wall cut section pattern color or patterns. By default hatch patterns, you will be able to do it. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and do let me know if you have any questions related to this. We will be able to make you a different video which will be able to understand much more. So with that, I'm leaving, and do share with your learning friends, which helps us for your friends as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.